What is absolute advantage? Absolute advantage is an economic concept. It means the ability of a person, company, or country to produce more goods using fewer resources than others. In simple words, absolute advantage means producing something better, faster, or cheaper than others. The idea of absolute advantage was explained by economist Adam Smith. If one country can produce more of a product with the same amount of resources, it has an absolute advantage. For example, imagine two countries producing wheat. Country A can produce 100 tons of wheat in one day. Country B can produce only 60 tons of wheat in one day. Country A has an absolute advantage in producing wheat. Absolute advantage can come from better technology. It can also come from skilled workers, natural resources, or efficient methods. Countries use absolute advantage to decide what goods they should produce. They then trade with other countries for goods they cannot produce efficiently. This helps increase total production and benefits all countries involved in trade. Absolute advantage is important in international trade. It explains why specialization and trade are useful. In simple terms, absolute advantage means being the best at producing something using the least effort. Easy way to remember. Absolute advantage means producing more with less.